In this video, I'll reveal the magical sorting power of Excel. In just a few minutes, you will be sorting data like a pro. Let's say I have a list of respondent names, ages, occupations, and cities where they live. I want to organize the list starting from the highest to lowest values. If you look closely, Michael has the highest age of 45. Now, select any cell in column C, go to the Home tab. In the Editing group of commands, click on the Sort and Filter drop-down. As I want to sort the data in descending order, I will choose the Sort Largest to Smallest option. Look, 45 is now at the top of the list, which is the age of Michael. Undo the action. We can sort them in ascending order also. The lowest age here is 22. Just select the first option, Sort Smallest to Largest. Yes, 22 is now at the top and 45 is at the bottom. Ages are rearranged in the ascending order. Now you may wonder, the data in column C is sorted according to the selected order. But what about the columns next to it? Well, Excel is very smart and ensures the data in the adjacent columns also move, thus maintaining the integrity of your information. Let's see it. Apply a fill color in an entire row in the dataset. Select cells in the B8 to E8 range and apply a light background fill color. Now sort them again. Yes, they are moving in a synchronized manner. You can go one level up. You can sort multiple columns in a single data range. A practical example is better for demonstration. Assume you want to sort them by age in descending order. Then you sort them by their name from A to Z. That means those whose name starts with A will be on top, then B, C, and so on. Open the Sort and Filter drop-down. Select Custom Sort from the options. The Sort dialog box will appear. Here, you can select the columns in the Sort By drop-down. All the column headers are available here. Select Age. In the Sort On box, select Cell Values. In the Order box, select Largest to Smallest. Now, I'll sort them by the names. So, at another level, similarly, select the column, Name, Sort on Cell Values. As order, select A to Z. Now click OK. Let's analyze the result. Column C is sorted perfectly, but the name column seemed to have some issues. A is not at the top and the names are not ordered alphabetically. But here's a catch. Excel first sort the dataset based on the ages. Keeping the order of the age column intact, it will again sort the name column. If you look at these three cells, each got 30. But look at their names. They are sorted correctly. First A, then K, then S. The sequence is excellent. You can sort the names from Z to A also. Look, the result has been changed. Alright, here's your challenge. Imagine you have a list of movie names and their ratings. Find the top rated movie from the list. How could you do that? Drop your answer in the comments. And that's it for today.